If you have a facility contract or previously had one with us, here's how to access your facility information. Once you are in your CCI account, you will notice in the top right corner, where your account info is, there will be the option to switch from a candidate to a facility. Now, you can access your facility portal, where you can manage your information and change it. You can also add users to your account. And you can assign vouchers to your users too. You also have access to the facility store, where you can purchase products. You have the option to purchase certifications, exam prep, exam retakes, prep books, recertifications, and specialty designations. You can also access your card as well as your order history. And if you have any questions regarding your account or your facility portal, you have the option to submit a ticket. Thanks for watching.